Hello and welcome to the 2018 season of TVJ's Junior Schools Challenge Quiz. It's Buff Bay Primary from Portland up against Corinaldi Avenue Primary from St. James. I'm your host, Kadeen Foote, and the action begins right now. So the coin toss earlier saw Buff Bay winning, but they asked Corinaldi to go first. So we start section 1, where we'll ask the teams questions alternately. They will have 10 seconds in which to answer, and they will earn 1 point for each correct answer. So we begin with Bible knowledge for Corinaldi. Which king in the Bible was most famous for his wisdom?
Solomon. King Solomon.
Correct. Buff Bay, which king in the Bible had 3 Hebrew boys thrown into a fiery furnace?
David.
Incorrect, it's Nebuchadnezzar. Science, Corinaldi, what is the name for the study of the atmosphere, including weather?
Meteorology.
Correct. Buff Bay, which navigational instrument is used to find direction?
Compass.
Correct. International affairs, it's a visual. Corinaldi, look at the monitor and identify this person.
Jimmy Morales.
President of Guatemala, correct. Buff Bay, look at the monitor and identify this person.
Roswell skirt.
Incorrect, it's Juan Orlando Hernandez, President of Honduras. English language for Corinaldi, spell bizarre.
Bizzarr.
Incorrect, it's Bizarre. Buff Bay, spell chauffeur.
Chauffeur.
Correct. Television, it's a visual. Corinaldi, look at the monitor and identify the person.
John Brown.
Incorrect, it's Terrence J., American TV personality and actor. This is for Buff Bay now. Look at the monitor and identify the person.
John Brown.
Incorrect, that's Michael Ealy, American actor. We move on to general knowledge. Corinaldi, what is the capital of Cameroon?
Kabul.
Incorrect, it's Yaoundé. Buff Bay, what is the capital of Botswana?
Saruna.
Incorrect, it's Gaborone. Social studies, Corinaldi, in which year did Hurricane Sandy affect Jamaica?
1989.
Incorrect, 2012. Buff Bay, in which year did Hurricane Dean affect Jamaica?
2007.
Correct. Music for Corinaldi, which instrument did Bartolomeo Cristofori famously invent?
Saxophone.
Incorrect, it's the piano. Buff Bay, which instrument did George Beauchamp famously invent?
Guitar.
That's correct. Mathematics, Corinaldi, what is the equivalent of the Roman numerals D, L, X, 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 V, I, I?
587.
Correct. Buff Bay, what is the equivalent of the Roman numerals D, C, 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 X, L, I, I?
892.
Incorrect, 842. Sports, Corinaldi, it's a visual. Look at the monitor and identify this person.
Andy Murray.
Incorrect, it's Chris Binney, squash champion. And sports visual for you as well, Buff Bay. Look at the monitor and identify this person.
Joseph Michael Leach. No, we got Michael Leach. Michael Leach.
Incorrect. That's Christopher Bender, football coach. And the bell signals the end of section 1 with Corinaldi and Buff Bay tied on 4. We go for a break, but please listen out for the friendly tip from NCB first. When you have a savings goal, put your money in a place where you won't be tempted to take it out and spend it. You may actually have to hide it from yourself if you do get tempted easily. When we return, it's time for the Junior Challenge Face-Off. Stay with us.